first begin by defining cognitive psychology. According to the APA Dictionary of Psychology, cognitive psychology is the branch of psychology that explores the operation of mental processes related to perceiving, attending, thinking, language, and memory, mainly through inferences from behavior. The cognitive approach, which developed in the 1940s and 1950s, diverged sharply from contemporary behaviorism in emphasizing unseen knowledge processes instead of directly observable behaviors, and arguing that the relationship between stimulus and response was complex and mediated rather than simple and direct. Its concentration on the higher mental processes also contrasted with the focus on instincts and other unconscious forces typical of psychoanalysis. More recently, cognitive psychology has been influenced by approaches to information processing and information theory developed in computer science and artificial intelligence. In this lecture, we will review The Cognitive Landscape of the Workplace, an article by NeuroLaunch in 2026. Every decision made at work, from a hiring call to a budget approval, runs through the same imperfect cognitive machinery the rest of your life runs on. Decision-making under uncertainty follows predictable patterns, and those patterns don't always serve accuracy. People weigh potential losses far more heavily than equivalent gains, which is why employees will fight harder to avoid losing a benefit than they'll work to earn an equivalent bonus. Problem-solving styles vary just as widely. Some people charge into a challenge and iterate as they go. Others map out every variable before taking a single step. Neither approach is objectively superior, but mismatched problem-solving styles on the same team can generate friction that looks like a personality conflict when it's really a cognitive one. Cognitive psychology examples relevant to decision-making at work include anchoring, where an initial number, a salary offer, a project estimate, skews every subsequent judgment, even when that number was arbitrary. Recognizing these patterns doesn't eliminate them, but it does let organizations build checks into decisions that matter.